People are making real money on Etsy selling the simplest digital products, PNG stickers and clip art, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to create them for free using Google Sticker Generator. No fancy software, no design degree, just quick step-by-step so you can turn any photo into a digital sticker pack and start listing it on Etsy fast. If you've ever thought about selling digital products, this is one of the easiest ways to get started. First, head over to Google Gem Stickers. Once you get to the home page, you have two options. Use your webcam to take a picture or upload a picture. We're going to upload a photo. Then you'll see different design options to choose from. I'm going to select pixel art and click create sticker. As you can see, it only generates 8 stickers at a time. You can go back and choose another sticker pack to make more. Once the stickers are generated, you can go ahead and download them. Next, I'm going to go to Nano Banana so I can edit my sticker. For this one, I want her to be holding a Starbucks cup in her hand. I'll generate that with Nano Banana, and there it is. Now I'm going to have Nano Banana change the word pop to coffee, and just like that, it updated the text for me. Next, I'm going to upload another sticker and edit it to remove the hat and add a pink sweatband. Alright, that looks great. Then I'm going to change her hoodie to a white t-shirt. Okay, and I'll do one more example. I'll tell it to change her hat to red. And boom, just like that, she has a red hat. I also told it to change her hoodie to a red and white jersey. Looks good. Now I go ahead and download my edited stickers and head into Canva to put together my sticker pack. Next, I'm going to open a blank Canva page and upload all of my stickers. Once they're uploaded, I'll go ahead and individually add each sticker to a separate page and remove the backgrounds. After I'm done editing all of my stickers, I'll rename the Canva design. Now I can download my stickers as a PNG file. Just make sure to click transparent background. And just like that, I have a custom digital sticker pack that I can sell on Etsy or bundle with the digital planner to use in Goodnotes. If you have any questions about creating these digital stickers, drop a comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.